So Swetha, in a nutshell, what are the top 3 things that you would recommend everyone in this batch to do while doing the course to get into job placement? Top 3 things.
While
Just
doing
1,
the
2, 3.
course, I'll definitely ask everybody to attend the live webinars, because initially, if you are new to this program, always, if you are new to pharmacovigilance, if we are attending live webinars, see, we most of the times we may not understand 100%, but we definitely understand the 50% part. So once you are attending live webinars, once you're done with the course, then you, while doing only so, you repeat the module, whatever the module. Example, today you attended one module. The next time, whenever you have a time, try to, revise that module. So whenever you are revising that module, so you have to, whenever here, they will definitely, they will teach modules in a questions wise. Like example, if this module is there, and what kind of questions you are going to get from out of this module. So you are going to prepare like that. So every time, so attending live webinars is the first thing we have to make sure. And after, attending and after completing our program, we have to make sure we have to revise at least 2 times. And the last thing we have to do is like, we have to especially the FAQs we have to do the assessment assignments. The example, it's a I'm sorry, Medra coding assignments, and narrative writing assignments. These are most important assignments we have to finish, because whenever we have interviews, they might ask you about, they might give you different assignments. So it depends on an interview. So we have to be ready with everything. And one more thing I want to let you know also, whenever we are attending a phone screen, so it is a easy thing to attend, but most of the times we have to make sure about that particular company we have to prepare. Everybody, the first question they will ask, why do you want to join this company? So we have to prepare with the best answer every time. Then that is like most common question every time.
All right, guys. Thank you, Swetha. I know that we're again running out of time. I have a class again to catch up. So thank you for your time again. This is really something. I mean, I did not even have to answer questions. You handled all of them. So that's great. I wish you the best.
Thank you, Abhishek. And I want to thank you, MediPharm, also, because they helped me a lot in placing this job placement. I hope all the very best, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. See you on Tuesday or Thursday.
Thank you.
Thank you.